I should be inheriting the same SPA, the same completion date clauses of the agreement that he bought on from the developer. Can the developer change the SPA?
I'll answer it in two different scenarios. Number one is that when you buy something, you bought it under certain terms and conditions. And when you want to sell it, you should be able to sell it under same terms and conditions, especially considering that the property has not been still handed over. Yeah, so it's the same situation as the time that you have purchased it. So then yes, the developer should not change. However, I have reviewed few or more than few sell and purchase agreements, and I see that most of the developers put some clauses in their agreement which exactly attacks this point and says that if you as a buyer want to sell this property, you have absolutely no rights to object on changing certain terms and conditions of this agreement based on your SPA. You cannot demand to have the same thing for your buyer. If you have signed an agreement with such clause, you have already lost your right to claim anything against the developer.
Or you think that it's a very poor legal ground for any investor to go after the developer in that sense?
Well, I would advise not to if they have signed. The reason is that the judge will ask you one question. Did anybody force you to sign this agreement?
Yeah, exactly.
So we are required to study the agreement before we sign it, understand all the terms and conditions of that agreement, and if we are happy with it, then we sign. If we sign, it means that we have no objections toward it. So definitely the judge will not look into it.